Looking for the best Makita circular saw? We've tested the top models to help you find the perfect fit, whether you need power, portability, or precision. Here are our top picks for Makita's best circular saws. Let's take a look at one of the best compact cordless saws out there, the Makita SH02R1. This little guy runs on a 12V Mac CXT lithium-ion battery and spins a 3 3/8-inch blade at 1,500 RPM. It's designed for quick, clean cuts in plywood, MDF, melamine, you name it. The base tilts up to 45 degrees for bevel cuts, and it only weighs 3.5 pounds with the battery. That makes it perfect for tight spots or overhead work. The batteries include an onboard charge indicator, and there's even a built-in dust blower to keep your cut line visible. You won't be ripping full sheets of plywood with it, but for quick jobs and punch list tasks, it's a winner. Expect to find the full kit, 2 batteries, charger, and case for around $180. Jumping into the cordless rear handle game, we ran the Makita XSR01PT circular saw through some serious framing tasks. Think ripping OSB, trimming rafters, and cutting LVL. Powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries, so 36 volts total, this saw had no trouble keeping pace with corded model. The brushless motor spins the blade at 5,100 RPM, and it stayed consistent even under load, thanks to Makita's automatic speed change tech. What really stood out? It made over 500 crosscuts in 2x4s on a single charge, and the electric brake helped us move fast between cuts. At 12.4 pounds with batteries, it's not feather light, but the balance and rubberized grip make it easy to handle all day. The magnesium construction gives it pro-grade durability without bulk. Expect to spend around $399 for the full kit, including 2 5.0 amp-hour batteries, dual port charger, blade, and tool bag. Pick one up. It's built to work. The Makita GSH04Z is currently the largest circular saw in the brand's 40VX GT lineup. It steps in where corded worm drive saws once ruled, offering a cordless alternative with serious cutting power. This saw features a Makita-built brushless motor and spins a massive 10 1/4 inch blade at 3,500 RPM. It's capable of cutting up to 3 13/16 inches deep at 90 degrees, making it ideal for heavy timber and beam work. The base is guide rail compatible, so you get precise cuts without an adapter. Bevel capacity reaches 60 degrees to the right and 1 degree to the left, with stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees. It's also IPX4 rated for water and dust resistance, and supports AWS for wireless dust control. You'll need to supply your own battery, but for pros who want unmatched depth and flexibility in a cordless platform, this saw checks every box. Expect to pay around $649 for the bare tool. When it comes to lightweight circular saws, the Makita 5007 MGA is the real deal. Sure, it's made with magnesium to keep the weight down, but don't let that fool you. The 15-amp motor still cranks out 5,800 RPM and cuts through LVL like butter. We're big fans of the electric brake too. It stops the blade fast, which keeps things moving on the job site. Add in features like built-in LED lights, a dust blower to keep your cut line clear, and big one-handed adjustment levers, and you've got a saw that's built for serious framing work. The 2.5-inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees in bevel, stops up to 56 degrees give it plenty of flexibility. You even get a rip fence, carbide-tipped blade, and a rugged case in the box. At around $229, it's our pick for the best lightweight pro-grade circular saw you can buy right now. Makita built the XSH06PT to be one of the most capable cordless circular saws in their lineup, and it shows. Powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries, this 36-volt saw cranks out 6,000 RPM and delivers up to 610 crosscuts in 2x4 SPF lumber on a single charge. While it's not the lightest circular saw out there, the magnesium base and blade guard help keep the weight down without sacrificing durability. We were especially impressed by the automatic speed change tech. It adjusts torque on the fly, so you're not bogged down mid-cut. The brushless motor runs cooler, lasts longer, and helps extend runtime by up to 50%. Add in an electric brake, rubberized grip, and star protection for battery safety, and you've got a serious contender for job site work. Priced around $399 with batteries and charger, the XSH06PT might just be our favorite cordless full-size circular saw yet.